Today, I want to talk about emotional eating and provide you with some detailed tips and strategies for managing it. Emotional eating is a common issue that many people struggle with. It's when we eat not because we're physically hungry, but because we're trying to cope with negative emotions such as stress, anxiety, or boredom. This can lead to weight gain and poor health, but there are ways to manage it. First, let's talk about identifying your triggers. Emotional triggers are events, situations, or feelings that lead you to eat emotionally. Common triggers for emotional eating include stress, anxiety, boredom, loneliness, and depression. But it's important to identify your own triggers. Try keeping a journal of when you tend to eat emotionally and what you were feeling at the time. This will help you become more aware of your triggers and find ways to avoid them. Next, find alternatives to emotional eating. This means finding healthy ways to cope with negative emotions. Strategies for finding healthy alternatives include doing something you enjoy, like reading a book or taking a bubble bath, getting some exercise, or talking to a friend. Examples of healthy alternatives could be going for a walk in nature, meditating, or doing some yoga. Finding alternatives can take some trial and error, so don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. Mindfulness is also a great strategy for managing emotional eating. Mindfulness is the practice of being present and aware of your thoughts and feelings without judgment. It can help you identify when you're feeling upset and help you choose a healthier alternative. Tips for practicing mindfulness include taking a few deep breaths and focusing on the present moment. You can also try mindful eating, which involves being fully present while you eat, savoring each bite, and paying attention to how your body feels. Another strategy is to change your environment. Your environment can have a big impact on your eating habits. Strategies for changing your environment include keeping healthy snacks readily available, avoiding keeping trigger foods in the house, and eating in a peaceful environment. For example, if you tend to eat emotionally while watching TV, try eating at the dinner table instead. It's important to create an environment that supports healthy eating habits. Finally, seek support. It's important to remember that managing emotional eating is a journey and it takes time and effort. There are many types of support available, such as talking to a therapist or joining a support group. Tips for seeking support include being open and honest with your loved ones about your struggles and asking for help when you need it. Remember, you don't have to go through this alone. To sum up, managing emotional eating is possible with the right strategies and support. Identify your triggers, find alternatives, practice mindfulness, change your environment, and seek support. Remember, it's a journey and it takes time and effort, but you can do it. Be kind to yourself and don't give up. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips on nutrition and healthy living. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any other tips or strategies for managing emotional eating, please share them in the comments below. And if you're struggling with emotional eating, know that you're not alone. It's a common issue that many people face, and it's okay to ask for help. If you're interested in learning more about nutrition and healthy living, be sure to check out my other videos on this channel. I cover a variety of topics, from healthy meal ideas to tips for staying active. And don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family.